Hello students, starting with a new chapter number 25, Community Health and Hygiene, Part 1. Children, can anybody tell me what is a community? Community is a big family. One can say it is a very big family. Community is defined as a sociological group in a large place sharing one environment. Includes the individual and the family. Means people with whom you live in your house and plus your neighborhood. Okay? We all are in one community. Okay, sociological community where we meet each other, we celebrate festivals, sports, everything together. Okay? For example, people, your neighbors or where you're staying, all are part of a community. Basically, people who are living in a society are all part of sociological group. Everyone has their own set of group. Okay? And it includes individual and the family. Children, what is a health? Can anybody tell me what is a health? Teacher always tells you, take care of your health. What does that mean? A state of complete physical, mental, social and emotional well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity, an ability to lead a socially and economically productive life. Okay, this is stated by World Health Organization. Okay, WHO? World Health Organization means a person should be healthy, and to stay healthy, what is required? Okay, so meaning of health. Health means a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. Person should be physically well, mentally well and social well-being. Means physical health is important. Equally mental health. Person should not have stress, and social well-being. He should socialize with people. So here are the 5 tips to stay healthy. Okay? Start drinking a ton of water. Every day you should drink 2 liters of water. Okay? Means 6 to 7 glass of water. Eat real food. Not too much and mostly healthy food. Okay? See, eating lot is not important, but eating healthy is important. Then get enough sleep. Okay? You should at least sleep for 7 to 8 hours, which we don't. We are more engrossed, we are more happy watching movies, or we are playing games on mobile, so and not sleeping. See, sleep is very important. Somehow you should get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Socialize. Person should have at least few friends. I'm not saying have hundreds of friends, but 1 or 2 or 4 or 5 good friends, because it's very important to socialize. एक दूसरे से मिलना बहुत important है. Okay, if you're not a very socializing person, at least talk to your family members, sometimes call up your friends. So socializing is very important. Going out, at least go out for a walk. You will feel fresh. Okay? Calling your old friends. Now it is coronavirus is going on, so we can't go to each other's house. But we can always call them, or we can WhatsApp call them, video call them. So we will feel better. So this is also a small part of socialization. Start exercising, children. exercise is very important. Do Anulom Vilom, stretching, basic exercise. Because when you can't go out much, at least you can do some or the other physical exercise, physical activity in your house. Call your mummy, daddy, everyone, come on, let's exercise for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Start slowly increase up to 15 to 20 minutes. Or if you can't do much of it, then at least you can do some yoga, pranayam, breathing exercise, which will make you feel better. Stretching. Okay. Now, in this chapter, basically we are talking about community health. See, community health. Let me read and discuss with you from page number 133. There was havoc as 150 people in area where Radha lives were suddenly affected by food poisoning. Some of the residents made great efforts to secure emergency medical help. Immediately, Radha too stayed up late that night. She was so stressed that she could not take part in storytelling competition in her school. The next day, she did feel bad about missing the chance, but she had the satisfaction of having helped the victims of food poisoning. What do you think are the reasons for such emergency? Do you think that incidents of food poisoning occurred because people were careless about hygiene? It is necessary to be alert about health and hygiene. Do you agree that the health of the entire community is as important as one's own health? So, this is a small story given in your textbook. So, it is very important, right, children? As you can see. So with this, we have come to know that people should actually be very careful. See, why this food poisoning happened? Can anybody tell me? Because of not maintaining hygiene and not taking proper care. Must be the food was stale or whatever it is. But the entire community was affected. No, 150 people were affected by this food poisoning incident. So what did Radha do? Radha was awake and she was indirectly helping them. Okay, she couldn't take part in that storytelling competition. But that was okay. What was more important, children? Basically, food, clothing and shelter is very important. A person should be healthy. In a community, everyone's health is most important. Even in a country, health of a general public is the most important concern. Okay? See, why was lockdown in coronavirus? Because public's health is more important than any factor. Okay, schools were closed, everything was closed, airport was closed, सब कुछ बंद था, everything was closed. But it's okay. If we are not healthy, if our people are not healthy, what's the use of all these materialistic things, if you're not going somewhere, if you're safe at home, so which is important? Still our schools have not opened. Why? Because we are more interested in public's health, public's welfare, because the first priority is health of all the humans. Okay, think about it. Now let us learn little hygiene practices. Okay, keep your workplace clean, keep your tools, instrument and machinery clean, keep your office files clean, never allow dust accumulation, never shy in cleaning your tables by yourself, use toilets in proper ways, use more water to avoid smell and stains, wash your hands and mouth after you use the toilet, always close the doors of toilet, open the doors of ventilation. Means, see, if you don't maintain hygiene, okay, you went to washroom and you didn't wash your hand and you started cooking with it or starting eating with those dirty hands, what will happen? That germs, that uh, all the dirty bacteria, virus will go in your stomach, so which is harmful, which is harming you, no, children. So it is very important to maintain health, maintain hygiene. Okay, these are few important points. Please read it and try and maintain it, try and practice it. See, it improves personality, it makes people admire at you. If you're clean, the action is also clean from you. See, if you don't brush your teeth and you start talking, what will happen? You will smell bad, no? If you don't take bath properly, even that also you will smell. So what happens? People will run away from you, they will not talk to you, they will not sit close to you, no? So it is very important. If you're clean, the action is also clean from you. Makes the environment clean. See, if you're clean, everything around you will feel fresh. Easy flow of verbal communication and discussion. It helps to improve hygiene in you. It enhances self-discipline. People learn from you about your secret of success. You are the winner in the competitive work life. So if you eat healthy, if you eat lots of fruits and vegetables, if you exercise, you will automatically look healthy. You will not look tired and dirty or ill. You will look confident, fresh, and people will come and ask you, अरे आप कैसे इतने एनर्जेटिक हो, कैसे फ्रेश हो, और कैसे इतने हेल्दी हो, स्ट्रॉन्ग हो. सो पीपल विल कम एंड ask you. So maintaining a healthy lifestyle is very important. Eating right, sleeping 7 to 8 hours, drinking at least 7 to 8 glass of water, maintaining proper hygiene, washing your hands, washing your legs, changing clothes, okay, taking bath every day, brushing your teeth twice a day. Okay, when you go to washroom, please wash your hands. Nowadays people are using sanitizers. So anything, all these things are very important to maintain hygiene. Now moving ahead, our community, our well-being. Importance of community health. What is importance of community health, children? The people of our country are the most important factors in our country. Progress, development,